This video will watch the best ratings for pre-lit snow-flocked artificial holiday Christmas pine tree, with over 2,950 customer reviews. Best choice products: 5, 6, and 7-foot pre-lit snow-flocked artificial holiday Christmas pine tree for home, office, party decoration. Warm white lights, metal hinges and base. Flocked design. Inspire holiday cheer this season with a flocked Christmas tree that helps make the season feel complete. Equipped with sturdy branches, strong enough to hold garland and all your favorite ornaments for a customized look. Full appearance. Create a healthy, natural appearance, with the 4.5-foot tree containing 400 tips, the 6-foot tree with 928 tips, a 7.5-foot tree having 1,346 tips, and the 9-foot tree with 2,094 tips, pre-strung with 200 250ths 559 lights based on size. Easy assembly and fluffing. Put the tree together in just 3 steps. Connect the base to the largest section of the tree before attaching the remaining sections and easily fluffing the branches. High quality. Crafted with durable metal hinges and flame-retardant PVC branches that stand tall with the help of a sturdy metal base, you can enjoy your tree for the coming holiday season. Many ways to decorate. Accentuate different areas of your living space, office, or even a holiday party by customizing your tree with garland, lights, ornaments, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching my video.